Welcome to Bytes Vibe YouTube channel. In today's video, I've brought you something new, Feed Importer for Blogger. It's a WordPress plugin that allows you to easily import from Blogger to WordPress in 2026. Why this plugin? The issue is that the default Blogger importer has broken following a new update from Blogger. Consequently, many WordPress plugins, including the default one, are no longer working. This is because Blogger has switched from using XML files to Atom files. Key features. With this plugin, you can easily migrate from Blogger to WordPress using the new Blogger export format. Features include importing both posts and pages, importing images, real-time progress tracking, displaying featured images, batch processing capabilities. For more details, you can check out all the features listed within the plugin. How to install and use this plugin. You can download the plugin directly from WordPress or search for it in your WordPress dashboard. Step 1. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugin section and click Add New Plugin. Search for Feed Importer for Blogger. Identify the plugin by its logo, click Install, and then activate it. Step 2. Importing posts. From the dashboard, go to the Tools section and select Blogger Importer. In the Blogger Export File option, click Choose File to select your Blogger Atom file. As optional settings, select the post status, e.g., published, draft, pending review, and assign a specific author for the posts. Click Start Import. A notification will appear stating that it may take a few moments to begin. You can monitor the progress in real time to see how many posts have been imported. Step 3. Reviewing results. Once the process is finished, a success message will display showing the number of posts imported or skipped. You can then visit the Posts section in WordPress to see your imported content. You can edit these posts directly using the default Gutenberg editor or Elementor, and all images, including featured images, should be displayed correctly. If you encounter any issues, feel free to contact our support team. If you find the plugin helpful, please consider supporting the developer team with a 5-star review. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe Bytes Vibe if this is helpful.